What's up, YouTube? This is Joel from DreamVR, and I'm trying to put a video behind me in OBS by using a media source, but when I put my media source into OBS, there's no sound coming out of it, and I want the sound from the video. So if you're having this problem, you're trying to get sound to come out of the video that you stuck in OBS, this is the tutorial for you. So watch to the end to figure out how to do this. First, let's import a media source. So if I want a video behind me or in front of me, I'm going to have to import a media source. So I'm going to go to add a media source, create new media source, and I'm going to add my file that I want behind me. It's this video. So I'm going to click OK. So now I have a video in OBS, but the first problem I see is it's way too big. So I'm going to transform it because it would take me forever to just use the handles to get this. So I'm going to go to transform and I'm going to go over here to fit to screen. There we go. It's fit to screen. Now I want to see myself again, so I'm going to pull it under. Woohoo! Here I am. All right, so now I can see myself. I can see I need to adjust this camera so I get more of my video on the green screen, and then I need a green screen over here too, so I'm gonna go fix that next. But now I figured out I've got my video in. Now I need to get the sound out of it, because when I play it, look at this. The video, it's playing behind me. There's no sound. So what do I do about that? I'm going to go over to this little gear down here. I'm going, see this says media source. This is the little gear on media source. I'm going to go to advanced audio properties. I'm going to go to audio monitoring because that's what I want. I want to hear the audio while I'm recording. I'm going to go to monitor and output. Go! Now I hear the sound with the video. Hear it? Pretty cool. So I hope that fixes your problem. And I could also foresee you need it into headphones. You need the audio to go into headphones, and I don't know how to fix that. Maybe just plug headphones in your computer. Maybe play around with these audio monitoring settings, like monitor only, mute monitor, monitor off. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but I figured out how to get the sound to come out, so I wanted to share that with you. Hope it helps. All right, this is Joel from DreamVR. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. Whenever I figure stuff out making videos, I will post it on this channel.